What's up, guys? I just wanted to show you on my bike I got here. It's a I think a 06 Diamondback Joker frame. It was a fucking bitch to sand it. Someone powder coated it before I had it. Alright, and then we have here the front rim, and it's an Alex MX22, a reinforced single with 14 gauge spokes and a redline hub that's sealed, 14mm axles, and Mosh peg. I have the nitrous OG forks and Haro Fusion stem or headset, whatever you guys like to call it, with some old school GT Pro bars here. Now the Eastern brake lever, I just got it in a animal cable. Some Diamondback grips, pretty comfy. Shadow conspiracy seat, it's new too. Then we got the 36 tooth Poverty Ecoline chain wheel. I can't ride anything smaller at the moment because my brake mounts are on the bottom. It's the smallest I can go to. With the Poverty crank arms, 3-piece crank, with some old school Haro pedals, because I fucking broke my other ones doing a gap. I just snapped them. I don't know, it was pretty gay. I had to take the guts out of it, fucking put them in there. And I have the Odyssey 13 tooth freewheel with the pink KMC chain. I've snapped it twice or 3 times. You can see there's one link and there's the other. I don't know where the pink link is at the moment. Then I have a Weenman Zach 30 back rim. I don't know, it's like 60 bucks. It's cheap as fuck. 12 gauge spokes with a flip-flop hub, with a drive back peg. And that's my bike. I get most of my shit from Dan's Comp because, I don't know, they're pretty cheap.